Atomy Probiotics.
Probiotics play a very important role for our digestive system.
Probiotics have many benefits, and one of these benefits is that it may help to boost your immune system because health does begin in the gut.
Probiotics may help balance gut bacteria in your digestive system. Probiotics may help boost your immune system and may help relieve gut symptoms such as diarrhea, constipation, and bloating. And probiotics may decrease vaginal and urinary tract infections. Atomy Probiotic product has probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics is a friendly, beneficial bacteria, and prebiotics is a food to feed to friendly bacteria. Probiotics can help support the bacteria that live with us, especially when the bacteria are challenged by antibiotics, poor diet, or traveling. And yes, probiotics can grow, metabolize, and interact with influence the microbes that colonize our body. The ability of probiotics to influence our immune system can impact our microbiota in our health. Atomy Probiotics has 12 types of strains. Prebiotics feed the friendly bacteria in the digestive system. Atomy Probiotics contains 3 types of prebiotics to support the gut bacteria for a healthier digestive system.
There are 60 packets in one box. You may take it in the evening before you go to bed, preferably without hot water and hot food.
So the packets look like this, and you can use scissors as a way to open it. Just cut off the top, and it's a powder, so you pour it straight into your mouth. It has a very nice and sweet taste, so to take it is very pleasant. It's not bitter. I think they say it even has like a blueberry hint of a taste to it. And for the question of the day, we want to see how well you were listening. What kind of symptoms do probiotics help to relieve? List them in the comments below, and we will see how attentively you were listening.
Thank you for watching this video.
And we'll see you guys another time.